Hey everybody, just a reminder, we have our FHA Lunch and Learn class on April 17th. I'm so excited about this class. It is everything you need to know about FHA financing. There's been some changes that you need to be aware of that we're going to share with you. Also, we have special guests. We're going to bring in an FHA Appraiser to answer all your burning questions about FHA appraisals. Will the house appraise FHA? Will it go FHA? It has peeling paint. It has rotted windowsills. 203Ks, renovation loans. We're going to cover everything FHA. Lunch is going to be brought to you by Attorney Jess Albino, who will share her legal perspective. And one of the best guests we're going to have is our reverse mortgage specialist, Rick Simoneau, who's going to talk about when seniors want to buy a home and how they can do it with little or no income. Rick.
That's quite an intro. Thanks, Bill. So, reverse mortgage for purchase. A lot of realtors know the reverse refinance. Reverse for purchase is a great opportunity for many people 62 years or older to downsize and get a new home for significantly less money and virtually no mortgage payment for the rest of their life. So it's really a great opportunity for many people that are 62 years or older, and you don't want to miss this.
And one of the things that we see and where I refer you for a reverse mortgage is we have somebody that's selling a house, they have a nice down payment, they have a little bit of Social Security, but they really need to be next to the grandkids in their twilight years. And that's when we refer for them. That's a perfect candidate, 62 or older, for you, Rick, to help them get into that home.
It is great, and it's also less constrictive on credit as well. So again, it's a great opportunity to increase more sales and help more people that are 62 year older have a more solid retirement.
This is going to be a great lunch and learn, April 17th. Join us. Make sure you register on the link below, and we're also available on the weekends to assist you with your busy open houses. I know Rick and myself are out there, and the whole team, and writing pre-approvals as well in this busy spring market. We'll see you on the 17th.